We're making the most incredible gluten-free donut recipe ever, stuffed with chocolate hazelnut spread with Odlums. 500 grams of the Odlums gluten-free self-raising Tritamyl flour into a bowl. We have 20 grams of castor sugar in. So up next we have 7 grams of yeast, 2 teaspoons of gluten-free baking powder, 2 pinches of salt in, so keep that to one side if you can. It stops the yeast from dying. 50 grams of melted butter, so 300 ml of milk in. Combine everything together. And then once you get to this stage, you just tip it all out onto the surface, and then we just get in and we knead for a little bit until everything combines nicely together. We go straight into a bowl, wrap that in cling film and leave that for an hour to 2 hours to prove. So once this is proved, open it out, tip out the dough, so just roll it into a sausage shape, in half, half again. Now you can do these into little balls if you like, but I want these to be nice, flat donuts. So just flatten them with your hand to a tray, like so, and then crack on with the rest. So once these have risen after 15-20 minutes, we go straight into some hot oil, and just do 2 at a time. In they go. Into some castor sugar, and just literally dust in the castor sugar straight away from the oil, like that. There you go. Yeah. In the side of it, like this, so just pierce a little hole. So all we do is we get in and we pipe that hazelnut chocolate spread in. A little bit more of the hazelnut chocolate spread. Some of the Odlums mini marshmallows, these are gluten-free as well, on top. And I know one person that's going to be very, very happy with these. Here you go. There you go, gluten-free donuts with Odlums.